Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to practice skill games. In the beginning, let's go to Learn to play and enter skill games. Right here you can find plenty of skill games for your game. For example, basic, dribbling, ground pass, long pass, defending, goalkeeper, set pieces, shooting, and practice scenarios. Let's take a look at the shootings. For example, let's select rapid angled shots. And that's basically it. Let's go to all scenarios, and here in every category you have to play until you've got a note. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.